This is part 2 of lesson 42, which is finding the volume of triangular prisms, cylinders, and cones. So example 3, a triangular prism is shown below along with the base. Find the volume of the triangular prism. So in this case, we're going to trace the base. And I already have here, this is our base right here. We have to find the area of it. So the area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. So in this case, our base is 4 and our height is 3. So we're going to put in 3 and 4. 1/2 times 3 times 4, which equals 1/2 of 12, which is 6 inches squared. So the area of the base equals 6 inches squared. Now we have to multiply that by the height, which is 7 inches. So we have volume is equal to the area of the base, which is 6 inches squared, times 7 inches, which equals 42 inches cubed. Now try the example in your notes. Example 4, if the radius of a can of SpaghettiOs is 3 centimeters and the height is 12 centimeters, what is the volume of the can? First step, area of the base. What is our base? It is a circle. So we're going to trace the base. It has a radius of 3 centimeters. The formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. So in this case, we're going to substitute in 3 for our r, which equals pi times 3 squared, which is going to equal 9 pi, which will equal approximately 28.27 centimeters squared. Now, we have to multiply that by the height. So volume is equal to the area of the base, which is 28.27 centimeters squared times 12 centimeters. And that's going to equal approximately 339.24 centimeters cubed. Now try the example in your notes. Now, we're going to talk about a volume of a cone or a pyramid. There's a special case for these two. I have a square pyramid here and a cube. This one is filled with salt, a square pyramid. If I take this and I dump the salt in the square pyramid in the cube, how much would it fill? It looks like 1/3. So when we find the area of this, we have to divide it by 3 because this is only 1/3 of this. So example 5, a square pyramid is shown below along with the base. Find the volume of the pyramid. So our first step, trace the base, which is a square, 5 and 5. So the area of a square is equal to 5 times 5, or 25 centimeters squared. We have to multiply that by the height. Okay, so we have volume is equal to the area of the base, 25 centimeters squared times 17 centimeters. That is going to equal approximately, 425 centimeters cubed. Now, we're not done because, just like we did with the example with the salt, we have to divide this by 3 because it's only 1/3 of a cube. When we divide that by 3, we get approximately 141.6, with the 6 repeating, centimeters cubed. Now try the example in your notes. Example 6, a cone is shown below. Use the formula for volume of a cone to calculate this particular cone's volume. So again, trace the base. Our base is a circle with a radius of 4 feet. Using our formula for the area of a circle, we have pi r squared. We substitute in 4. That's going to be pi times 4 squared, which is equal to 16 pi feet squared. And that equals approximately 50.27 feet feet squared. Now we have to multiply that by 7. So the volume is equal to the area of the base, which is 50.27 feet squared times 7. So do that on your calculator. And you get 351.89 feet cubed. Now again, we have to divide it by 3 because a cone is only a third of a cylinder. So when we divide that by 3, run through your calculator, and you get 117. It's going to equal approximately 117.30 feet cubed. Now try the example in your notes.